In this guide, we're going over the bed blueprint location here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But starting off from the life pod right here, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is essentially just turn around and head southwest. So essentially like right where I came from, and just go ahead and make your way about 200 meters southwest. You're going to need to dive down about 80 meters as well. So go ahead and make your way down a little bit. There's going to be this little cliffside right here. You could just go ahead and follow alongside the cliff. If you just keep following this cliffside, you're going to see this little wreckage right here. Right next to this wreckage, you're going to see this little location. Just simply dive up to it, swim into it, just like so. And once you're in here, you can see there is a bed location. You could just scan it. That is how you get the blueprint for it. There is another location that you are going to have to make your way to next, though. Now, for the next location, you need to make your way back over to your life pod. So go ahead and make your way back to the life pod. And once you make your way back to that life pod, what you're going to want to do is head about southeast. So go ahead and make your way southeast this time from that life pod location. You're going to see these kind of like large structures over here. Essentially what you're looking for is a little cave entrance with a little light next to it. You cannot go in here with like a sea moth or anything, so just go ahead and get out and then make your way into this location. And as you make your way into this location, you're going to see another entrance to a little base. Go into that base and you'll see another bed. Or of course you can go ahead and scan it and then craft the bed after that. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.